Ito na nga tayo sa Lingnam dito sa Jose Abad Santos, San Juan. Of course, sa San Juan, marami kang pwedeng kainan. Okay, mag-food trip. And would you believe ang Lingnam ay since 1950 pa. Of course, favorite ko ang service tea. You can get it for free. Just ask for it. Mainit yan, masarap. And of course, hindi mawawala ang siopaw dahil bagay na bagay ang siopaw sa famous beef wonton noodles nila. I love the beef noodles kasi it's good for sharing. Would you believe? We split it for two. Sobrang juicy at sakto-sakto yung timpla ng sabaw. And of course, for the main dish, we have the braised beef with rice at itong sweet and sour pork na masarap din. Ayan, kita nyo naman yung noodles. So, ready na akong umatak at kumain. Excited na ako. Of course, una nating itatry ulit ang beef wonton noodles nila. Consistent pa rin ba to? Of course, we've known Lingnam for so many years and ang sarap pa rin ng noodles nila. Especially yung texture. Tamang-tama yung texture. And yung beef, ayan na yung beef. Naku, ang lambot. It really melts in your mouth. Panalong-panalo yung beef noodles nila. Dito sa Lingnam. Ito nga pala yung split na beef noodles. Pwede kayong mag-request to have it on half. And of course, yung braised beef with rice. At yung sweet and sour pork. Ayan. So, overall, yung experience ko is very good. And ito nga pala yung total bill namin for that meal. So, if you got time, pasyal na rin.